Alright, so where did we leave off here with the old 346 JB Weld circus hack job here? We'll put the cylinder back on there, gasket, get that all put on there, show you how it goes. Maybe I'll turn the music down. Alright, all back together, cylinder on there. Alright, there you guys have it, 346, all filled up with JB Weld. We'll run it from time to time, see how that stuff holds up. Maybe it'll last me. Well, I don't know. We'll see what happens. Alright, like and subscribe for more. Thank you.